Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny and this is Danny's Beauty Corner. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not new to my channel, welcome back, girlfriends. It's always exciting to have new visitors coming, new subbies, regardless if you're new or you've been around for a while. I appreciate the love regardless, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to stop by my channel and check out what's going on. So anyway, let's jump into the video. So, oh my gosh guys, I'm back. Where have I been? It has been 2 months since I've recorded a video. Gosh, it's such a long time. And I am so sorry guys. If you've been in my channel before, you know the spiel. I'm busy. I am a mom of 3 young rugrats, and I also work full-time overnight. So I mean, it's no surprise, but yeah, I've just been busy working and taking care of my family, you know. The same thing I've been doing. I just haven't had time to record a video, I guess. But you guys know me. I am a makeup junkie, beauty junkie, so of course the stuff has not stopped. I have been buying, you know, stuff like crazy, and you know it's never gonna stop. So and I have been receiving my monthly Boxycharms and Ipsy. I just haven't, you know, recorded a video, and to be honest, December's Boxycharm sucked. And you know, at the end of the video, I always rate, you know, give it a rating from like 1 to 10. That box was like a 3. That box sucked. But anyway, we're not gonna, you know, go into that box because this is January 2018, guys. Oh my gosh. So anyway, no surprise, you know by the title, it is Boxycharm unboxing time. So for those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service that you receive every single month, and you receive anywhere from 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size products. And the products always, or let's say almost always, retails over $100. But ever since I've been getting Boxycharm, it's been at least a good 2 or 3 years, maybe longer than that. Everything has always been over $100. And a lot of the stuff, you know, it's from brands that you guys have already known, and you know that you've known about and that you love. So, and spoiler alert, this box is really good. Anyway, so let's jump into it. So again, this is how the box comes in your mailbox every single month. You know, the sleek black box that says Boxycharm on it. The other side, it has your address. And every single month, the box has a theme. And on the inside, this is what the box looks like. It has this little foamy piece, and then it has a card that tells you what the products are and the prices. And this month's theme is Rock 2018. Yeah. So that was cheesy, I know. Anyway, so let's jump into what's in our box. So the first product that we are pulling out is from the brand It Cosmetics, which is a high-end brand, and it is the Brow Power Universal Pencil in the shade Universal Taupe. So this is what the box looks like. And then the inside, this is the brow product. Okay. Oop, I had it upside down. So on one end it has the spoolie, and then the other end it has the actual brow product. Let's scroll it up to see what it looks like. And let's go ahead and, ooh, that didn't look good. See that, guys? It can't, well, you can't see it, but it came right out. Okay, so that's what the shade Universal Taupe looks like. Please excuse my nails. Okay, and this product retails for $24. Okay, the next product I'm pretty excited about. Actually, everything in this box I'm pretty excited about. It's from the brand Dr. Brandt. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like the 3rd Dr. Brandt product that we've received in Boxycharm. And I'm not complaining because Dr. Brandt is a very pricey brand. But anyway, this is the Luminizer Primer. And it says Pores No More Luminizing Primer. It's a really pretty bottle, or tube. And then it has a screw on top. Let's go ahead and put a little in our hand. Okay. It feels, wow, it's very fragrant, and it feels very, very soft, very silicone-y, which I'm not gonna lie, I do like. It's kind of like the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer is what it feels like to me. I like that feeling. It looks like it blurred you know, my skin a little bit. It evened out the texture and it feels really nice. I like it. So this retails for 38 bucks. Told you they were pricey. Anyway, the next product in here is from the brand Pure, and it says it's bronze. It's a bronze and brighten cheek palette. Of course, that's what that looks like. And let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Oh, mine broke. I didn't know that. Well, that comes with a giant mirror. And of course, mine broke. Ooh, that didn't look good. Anyway, so it's a 3-pan palette. It comes with your cheek product, highlighting product, and the bronzing product. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Ooh, I like the texture. They're very, very creamy feeling. Okay, look at that, very pigmented. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch on the back of our hand. Wow, look at that. Too orangey for me, like an orangey peach. So that's the cheek, the highlighter, and the bronzer. That's what they look like. Now, I probably won't get any use out of the bronzer or any of these shades really, because the bronzer is not a typical looking bronzer, and I don't wear bronzers anyway. The highlighter I do like, but of course it's broken, so I can't really use it. I'm gonna have to, you know, contact Boxycharm on that. And then the blush looks very, very orangey for me, but I'm sure with light hand I can, you know, work with that. So anyway, this retails for $34. Okay, so the next product in here is from the brand Crown Pro, and this is an eyeshadow palette, and it says Glam Metals, and that's what the outer packaging looks like. And of course, the actual palette looks the exact same way. And then let's open it up, and it has a mirror, but it is a cute guitar mirror, so you can't really get any use out of that, but it is pretty cute. And that's what the shades look like. So it looks like you get 9 shadows, and looks like one of those shadows is matte, the rest are like a shimmery type. And they're really pretty. I can get use out of a majority of these shades. And let's go ahead and swatch a couple of them. Let's swatch this middle one. I typically go for like the gold type of shades. And let's swatch this one. Oh. Okay, so that's what those look like. So this shade is called Rebel, and then the other shade, this one is called Punk. Cute names. I like those. And this retails for 25 bucks. And then the last product I'm really excited about, it is from the brand Galactic, and it is a matte lip paint. And guys, I've always wanted to try Galactic lip paints. I just never wanted to spend the 20-something bucks it costs to, you know, get this. But I'm so excited that we got one. And I believe there was another variation of the box. I think everything was the same, but the lip product was different. And I think the other lip product was like a grande product, and it was like this bright, bright red. And I typically don't gravitate towards reds at all. And so I'm really, really glad that I got this, because this is the shade that I really like. Oh, and I didn't even tell you what the shade was, did I? This is the shade Demure, which is funny because this is actually the shade, one of the shades that I was going to pick up. And that's what the outer packaging looks like. Not the packaging, the tube. And of course, there's the doe foot applicator. It's very nice. I picked up a lot of products, so I guess that's good. Just a pretty standard doe foot. And that's actually why I don't have anything on my list, because I want to try this. And I haven't tried this for the first time, so this is going to be like a first impression. Oh my gosh. So right off the bat, it smells super sweet, like vanilla or like a cake batter. It smells really, really good. The application process was really, really easy. Very, very smooth. It's drying down pretty quickly, but it's very comfortable. So I want to see how it wears off, or wears as, you know, time goes on. And so this retails for $23. So the total value of this box was $144. And I'm not a mathematician, but $21 for $144 worth of products You can't beat that. And as I said, you know, we rate this box at the end of the video from like a 1 to 10, and I have to say this box is an 8. Only reason why it's not a 10, because I love every single product in here, is for the blush palette or the bronze and brighten palette, for 2 reasons why. One, the packaging, I mean the highlighter came broken, and 2, and I really liked it, it was really pretty. And then 2, the bronzer, I mean, who's gonna bronze with something that looks like something you can put over your eyes? I mean, don't get me wrong, you know, people try different things on their face all the time, so but I wouldn't necessarily use it as a bronzer. So maybe like an eyeshadow color for me, because I like shimmery metallic type shadows. So but anyway, that's all I got for you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you can never miss whenever I upload a video. But I promise you guys, I will start uploading a lot more, because I have so much stuff, and I know I said that in every single video, but I really mean it. I've got stuff just like waiting to be like hauled, and you know, I just stick around. I promise you. Like I said, that's my New Year's resolution, is to bring more content to you guys. But did I say that in the beginning of the video? I don't know, but if I didn't, now you know. So thank you again for stopping by. I love you all, and until next time, this video is over. Love you guys. Bye.